Hi everyone, I'm Felicia Fox. Welcome to my channel, Food with Felicia Fox. Today is day 20 of the Carnivore Diet. So I'm going to do 20 days carnivore and 20 days vegan and track my progress. So I got myself a selfie stick, so I thought I'd take you on a walk with me. Sorry if the audio is not great. I am waiting for new microphones in the mail, so that'll be good. The sound quality is always better when you have proper equipment. So thanks for your patience. So today is day 20. So yeah, I'm feeling pretty good. And it's a beautiful day, so I thought I'd take you on a walk. Because the weather is so warm and beautiful, I am tempted by summer drinks. So, do all your carnivores out there, do you guys partake in summer drinks? How do you feel about drinking? What do you guys do? Do you stop drinking? I had that in my mind that I would stop drinking. Of course, I had wine the other day. I forget what day that was, and then, yeah, I'm just so tempted because it's so beautiful out. I guess this depends on what choice you make, right? So, I'm jaywalking right now. But I've noticed in the last couple of videos that I had bags under my eyes. So I'm hoping that goes away as well because, you know, I don't want to look tired all the time. So I am feeling better. The body pain is easing. I have more energy. My feet are still an issue. Only morning and evening though. Today for food, I had just leftover chicken wings, not bacon and eggs because I didn't want to cook anything. So I just had cold chicken wings. But that was good, it was prepared and it was easy. And I haven't eaten anything else yet today. But I'm not hungry. So I hope I'm holding this right. This is a nifty little tool. So let me know how you guys are doing out there. Thank you for your support. If I don't reply to a comment, I will get to it. Sometimes I find that I miss them, but I'll get to you. So I'm going to continue my walk and maybe I'll eat something later. I'm not sure, but I'll let you know tomorrow. Okay, happy day 20. And I'll talk to you tomorrow.